Hey there, welcome to Social Waves AI. Struggling to grow your YouTube channel? What if there was an AI that could change everything for you? Introducing Spotter Studio, the AI-powered platform designed to take your YouTube channel to the next level. Here's how to get started. Step 1. Outliers. First, head over to Spotter Studio and click on Outliers on the left. Type in your niche and hit Outlier Index at 3x, then select My Audience Also Watched. To become a better content creator, you need to consume better content. Spotter will provide the top performing videos in your niche, a benchmark for your own creations. Step 2. Brainstorm. Start with a compelling thumbnail. Then, choose a title with a power keyword. Pick the right concept and save your project. But what's missing? Your storyline. Step 3. Idea Workshop. Spotter Studio maps out every single step for you. From your goal and storyline to the perfect decision points, B-plots, and even the twist. With Spotter's AI, you'll have a clear plan, guiding you from hook to payoff with precision. And the result? A massive increase in views. Plus 49% in just the first week of using Spotter Studio. Unlock your YouTube potential today with Spotter Studio. Ready to take your channel to new heights?